The BMW M6 is back, and the 2026 model marks a bold return to form for BMW's performance division. Sleek, powerful, and loaded with cutting-edge technology, this isn't just a refresh, it's a redefinition of what a luxury grand tourer can be in the modern age. Let's start with the design. The 2026 M6 strikes a perfect balance between aggressive and elegant. The front fascia is dominated by slimmer, more angular laser headlights and a reimagined kidney grille that finally dials back some of the controversial size we've seen in recent years. It's wide, low, and muscular, exactly what you'd expect from an M car. The side profile is sculpted, with a strong shoulder line and aerodynamic flourishes, while the rear features quad exhausts, a subtle carbon fiber diffuser, and a thin LED light strip stretching across the tailgate. Under the hood is where things really get interesting. The 2026 BMW M6 features a reworked 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, the S68 engine, pushing out a staggering 665 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an updated 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and BM's X-Drive all-wheel drive system, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. There's also a rear-wheel drive mode for those who prefer a more purist driving experience. But power is only one part of the story. BMW has equipped the M6 with the latest generation adaptive M suspension, integrated with predictive chassis technology. That means the car can adjust damping in real time based on road conditions, driving style, and even GPS data. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising down the Autobahn, the M6 adapts seamlessly, offering both comfort and razor-sharp dynamics. Inside, the cabin is exactly what you'd expect from a flagship M car, luxury meets high-tech performance. The cockpit is dominated by BMW's new panoramic curved display, merging a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen, running the latest iDrive 9. The interface is cleaner, faster, and smarter, with improved voice recognition, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and deep integration with BM's digital key system. The seats are M-specific and offer incredible lateral support, with optional carbon fiber buckets if you're really chasing that track-ready vibe. Materials are top-notch, extended merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara headliners all standard. And yes, it still has a usable back seat and a proper trunk, because even performance machines should be practical. Let's talk about sound. The new M6 doesn't just go fast, it sounds the part. The active exhaust system has been finely tuned to deliver a deep, throaty growl when you